Hey everybody, I'm Michael and welcome to my channel. In my last two videos, I've been covering the DRIP network, how it works, and how you can actually get started. I started with about $1,200 and I deposited some money into the Faucet, and I am set to earn about $6 million over the next 6 years with the magic of compound interest. The calculator that I followed is from a person named Kelly Snook. She goes over in detail, I'll put a link down below to the video to watch, on how this hydration template works. The plan that I am currently on is this one right over here on the left. What I did was I copied all of the cells in this column here, and then I pasted them into this wallet tab right here. As you can see, I am going over every single day and I'm highlighting the days once I actually do that step. Today I did the step already. And every day it's an alternating hydrate, claim, hydrate, claim, hydrate, claim, all the way down for the next 6 years. And if I follow this and if everything goes according to plan, using this calculator down here, I can see that depositing 5 DRIP tokens over 5 wallets, so each wallet has 1 DRIP token, I should be able to earn $6.5 million from an initial investment of around $1,250. It does sound too good to be true, I'm not going to lie, but to me, spending that little bit of money now for this type of payout is worth the investment. If I lose it all, it's still worth the investment to me, so that's why I've gone ahead and I have started doing this hydrate claim that I've got right here every single day. So I wanted to jump in and show you exactly how that works. So here's my process. I go into each one of my wallets. I'll start with my DRIP1 parent, and then I will go and I will connect the wallet, click on MetaMask, and then I will confirm and to connect MetaMask to my DRIP1 parent wallet. Boom. And there is a slight glitch with MetaMask right now that you can see that it said connected to 2 accounts. You can see that right now it's connected to 2 different parent accounts, but I only have 1 parent account. It's just showing double. So like if I were to go disconnect, it won't let me click this one. It's only connected to 1. It's not connected to both. Okay. So now let me go ahead and get rid of that. Now you can see that in my parent account, I have this amount that I can either hydrate or I can claim. Today on my schedule, according to the 1-tier drip calculator schedule, I am going to hydrate today, which means I'm going to put this money back into my total deposits. That way tomorrow when I come to claim, I have even more money to claim because this balance has gone up. I'll show you what I mean right now. Let's go ahead and click hydrate. And then I'm going to pay a very small fee, so about 80 cents to claim $7.78. Perfect. Click confirm. And I will do this in real time so you know exactly how long it takes. And this is the process that I take on every single one of my wallets every single morning. I either do hydrate or I do claim. So today I'm doing hydrate. I'm putting the money back into here. You can see this number went up. And that's all that's needed. So now I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my wallet, go up to MetaMask. I'm also going to disconnect from the site right here like that. And then I'm going to go into my DRIP2 account and I'm going to do the exact same process. Click on MetaMask. And then I'm going to click Next, connect to the account. This balance is $4 that I have to hydrate. So I'm going to go ahead and click Hydrate. I'm going to pay the 80 cents to claim $4, so I'm earning $3 today. And once this is successful, pop-up will appear, and then this balance will go into here. Perfect. Disconnect from my wallet, and then I'm going to disconnect from MetaMask. It's really that simple, and this is what I do for every single one of my accounts. So I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to do it, just to show you how simple it is. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, please subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one, and I will see you guys in the next video.